Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and take down the Altai tent, step by step. Let's get started. The Altai comes in a spacious carry bag with poles, pegs, and guy lines included. The tent is a single unit. The fabric is attached to the ground sheet, made from a cotton polyester blend. Unroll the tent and choose your door position. Use small pegs to secure the four corners. Keep the ground sheet tight and flat. Unfold the four poles. Each side uses two poles. Slide them into the sleeves and click the pin into the metal ring. Repeat on all sides. Zip the tent closed before adding guy lines. This keeps it balanced. Lightly tighten the lines near the doors. Tie the top of the poles together. Attach the rest of the guy lines following the seams. Use 2/3 of the line length for strong tension and water runoff. Your Altai is now pitched. Use the front awning for extra space and views. Unzip both sides, release the lines, unfold the poles, insert them, and tension the awning. Features include a large mesh window with an optional awning, 2 small mesh windows, built-in organizers, and 2 mesh doors for airflow and access. Under the main awning, there's a second fold-out canopy for extra shade. Time to pack up. Remove all guy lines and pegs. Leave a door open to let air escape. Detach the poles, slide them out, fold and pack them. Fold the tent in thirds. Use the bag to check the right width. Fold to match. Roll it tightly toward the bag. Pack it up. Your Altai is ready for the next trip. Thanks for watching.